software supported for team collaboration through the features like share for review has been highly beneficial. It allows me to directly share design with clients and gather feedback, streaming the revision process and ensuring smooth communication throughout the design project. The ability to search and filter layers is a real-time saver, particularly when dealing with complex design that involve multiple elements. These features significantly enhance organization, and ensure more productive design process. Although Adobe Illustrator is a powerful design tool, some features and tools may feel outdated or lacking in comparison to other modern design software. While new updates do bring improvement, there are still areas that could use more attention to meet the evolving needs of graphics designer. Adobe Illustrator uh, now comes with generative recolor. We can simply type a color theme and it applies the same to our vector graphics. Illustrator supports team collaboration using share for review. It allows us to directly share design with clients and receive their feedback. Using the retype feature, we can identify embedded font type in an image it match it with the closest Adobe font. Unlike most other apps, Illustrator supports layer searching and filtering, which saves a lot of time. Adobe Illustrator is a heavy application that consumes system resources while it's running. Illustrator subscription plan are costly. Illustrator can no longer be installed on a 32-byte operating system. The, the tools which are provided by Adobe are excellent, and it was really fun while you working on those tools, especially on the designing tools. The pricing is the main dislike. If you want to purchase Photoshop and Illustrator separately, then you can purchase the complete suite at that price. For example, if Photoshop is $2, Illustrator is $2, and Premiere Pro is $2, then you will get the complete suite at $3.5. If you are planning to purchase the complete suite, the the suit the it then it will work. In your case, if you're planning to purchase individual, then it will eat your money. Illustrator supports collaboration. We can share our design with a review link and get annotated comments right in the file. Adobe is a incorporation. It's all it's, all, it's A1 in Illustrator. Recently rolled out feature generative A1 is game changer. It can turn towards concept into color palettes and attractive design.